the realm of research is super important. And why is that the case? Because sometimes we think about problems that societies can have. Sometimes you don't even know what the problem is. So you want to have researchers who do research about all kinds of, or the most special aspects, because you never can predict what's going to be important, what's going to be, what kind of knowledge we need. Example, the crisis in the Ukraine. All of a sudden, we need people who know something about the Ukraine and all the history. So we want people who have, done research about this topic. And there are millions of, examples like this in the realm of technical sciences, natural sciences, and so forth. It's really unpredictable. So we really need people who know all kinds of things, the most specialized aspects they are, in this world. If you're open, you get much more diverse opinions, much more diverse approaches to solving problems. So it's also very important. So it's just, in the realm of universities, it's just a precondition. It doesn't work any other way. Having an international angle in research at the universities and societies even is just necessary to learn things. I study education systems, and if you study education systems, you will see, okay, things are done very different in Finland or in Singapore or in Iceland even. And just, going to these countries, learning from these countries will open your eyes, to, okay, this can be done very different, Students can learn this method with this method or with this other method. And the only way to do this is just being international, to be able to learn from each other. The location, of Iceland and also, the University of Iceland is between Europe and America, and it is in many ways a hub connecting, different continents and also maybe different knowledge traditions, ideally. The universities, of course, they produce research and knowledge, which, then can foster economic growth. But they also have this role of, educating the future citizens, They do something for citizenship and maybe socializing our, the future people in this country. So they have a very important function.